Welcome to our meat delivery service. Our monthly deliveries are quite simple, and hopefully they'll make your meat shopping more convenient. First of all, open our website. Then click on the Delivery Service tab. Look at the Greater Milwaukee locations that we deliver to and see what's most convenient for you. Our next delivery date and time will be listed, so grab your calendar, see if that works with your schedule. Now look at our products and prices page. We try to keep it updated with all the items we have on hand. Scroll through, find the meat items of interest to you. If it doesn't say sold out, it's available for order. Finally, at the bottom of the page, click on the order form button. Many of the items you see listed on the order form are for the larger quantity meats and are the fresh chicken and turkey processing dates. Click on any of those that you're interested in and fill in the quantity desired. I'm just going to choose a couple frozen chickens here. Most of the individual cuts of turkey and chicken, pork and beef, though, they won't be listed here, but we'll cover that in a moment. Scroll down to the bottom and fill in your name, address, phone number, that good stuff. Remember, no order is too big or too small. If you simply want to order a dozen eggs and a pound of ground beef, we'll deliver it for you. Now, in the comments and order request box, this is where you'll enter the individual meat items you wish to have delivered. You can toggle back and forth, cut and paste from the products and prices page, or you can simply enter your desired items. Now, also, please tell us what delivery location is the most convenient for you. Once you've completed the order form, click Submit. It's that simple. We'll follow up within a day with an email confirmation and a precise delivery location, along with our cell phone number, just in case you need to reach us while we're on delivery. We'll also send a reminder the day before. And for some of you, we'll gladly send a text an hour before the scheduled delivery. You know who you are. It's delivery time. All the meat requests have been received, and Farmer Brandon has spent the last day assembling all of the orders. Time to load them into the van and make our way south to Brookfield, then southern Milwaukee. The next day, we're off to the Menominee Falls and Germantown area, and then to Grafton. On location, you'll find our delivery van waiting for you. Each location has a half-hour to 1 hour window of when we'll be there. You're welcome to arrive anytime within that time period. Our emails will be very detailed so you know exactly where we'll be and when we'll be there with your order. When you arrive to the delivery location, we accept cash, checks, and credit card for payment. You grab your stuff and go. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. We hope you make use of our monthly, no-charge delivery service.